Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Dallas inspired look. As you can see, I've already done one eye, but before I get into the details, go ahead and click the like button below. Click that subscribe button as well. Do not forget to click the notification bell so that you do not miss any new videos that I post. And with that said, let's get right into it. So I've already started here, and what I'm doing is I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the number 2. I am just going to be making the shape as close as possible to the other eye. I'm going to be shaping out where I'm going to put the shadow, sort of an almond shape, but yet I'm going to put a wing on the end. Now you do want to keep checking the other eye and make sure that it's even as possible. It is hard to make sure that they're just alike, but you want to get as close as you can. So of course you don't want your shadow to look patchy or too thick or cakey. So I am using the brush I use to blend out my concealer by my brow. I'm using that same brush just to tap out some of the excess concealer so that it does not look cakey when I put the shadow on. Now let's jump right into this palette. This is by the Crayon Case. These are the 2 colors I am going to be using. I do use a lighter blue, and then I use the darker blue on top of that just to achieve the color of the Cowboys. You just want to go ahead and use a tapping motion like I normally do. It's automatically going to soak into the concealer, which is why in the beginning I wanted you to tap off the excess shadow, because it will cake. It'll be too thick and it'll crease and it'll just be looking all messed up. So make sure you do it this way. Well, you know what? How about this? You do it the way you want, and then I'm just going to show you how I did it, and then you can do it how you want after. Okay, so I noticed that one of my, the eye I'm doing now is a little bit bigger than the other eye. So off camera, I will fix it later. I am going to just get a little bit of makeup remover and just shorten it a little bit, and then reapply the shadow. Right on time. Let's get into this NYX white liquid liner. I'm just going to line the top part and the wing. Now we're going to go ahead and apply some duo glue because I want the glitter to stick. It is kind of chunky. It has stars and hearts and all that good stuff. So I am putting it on my lid, and then I'm going to stick the glitter on next. Okay, so here's the glitter I was talking about earlier. This one has stars and different shapes inside. I thought this would be a good pick for the Dallas Cowboys theme. I'm using a concealer brush, and I'm just tapping it on top of the glue. So at this point, we are almost finished. I am adding just a little bit of the darker blue shadow on the bottom lash line. I just thought it would make it look more smoked out. Okay, so here's the star. I drew it out the best way I could. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comment box below. What I'm doing right now is adding a little bit more of the concealer inside. I figured it would help the shadow to stick better. I don't want it to run or move. And I also want it to be I want the blue to look just like the blue on my eyelid. So I just used the same concealer inside the star. And I guess we'll just see how it looks in the end. Now I'm going to do the same thing that I did with my lid when I used the lighter blue and then the darker blue on top of that, so I can achieve the Dallas Cowboy darker, how can I say this? You know what I mean. The Dallas Cowboy blue. Yeah, I'm going to do the whole star this way, and then I'll figure out something to do after that. Okay, so here's my white liquid liner pen by ColourPop. I kind of messed up right there. I'm just going to outline the whole star. I was hoping it would be a little bit more lighter than this, but it does work because it has the sharp tip. I did mess up, so I'm going to fix that. I will show you how I did so. I just kind of put a little bit of the shadow back on top of it and just kind of scrub it in there. And I would have did more, but I had to rush out. So this is pretty much the finished look. I did put glitter lips, the color blue, and yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I kind of put the little black mark under the eye. The DC means Dallas Cowboys. I put the foundation on off camera. You guys, I really hope you like this look. I really enjoyed doing it. It was really fun and cute. I'm trying to think of another look to do, but you guys, if you have any suggestions, please put them in the comment box below. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with all your friends and family who love makeup and that just might love this look. Thank you guys for your support, and you guys, I will see you on the next video.